SlowCast English, Episode 36, Talking About Work.
How's work these days?
Well, pretty busy.
Oh, yeah? What happened?
We have a new project.
Is it difficult?
Kind of, but interesting.
That's good, I guess.
Yeah, I'm learning new things.
Do you work late?
Sometimes, yeah.
That's tiring.
I know, but it's okay.
Make sure you rest.
I will. Thanks.
Take care of yourself.
Catching up on work life. Emma checks in with Leo about his work, learning that he's busy with a new and interesting project. Though challenging and sometimes causing late hours, Leo appreciates the opportunity to learn. Emma encourages him to rest and take care of himself.
Thank you for your study. See you next time.